Hey guys, Dustin Pass here. We're looking at CVRS today. Has a huge gap, went up to 428. And anytime you see this, you've got to wonder, like, how in the world could I have known to get into this trade before this big gap? They got a buyout deal and new valuation of $4.28 and a huge jump, massive jump. We see this in the markets quite frequently. Either it's from news release, some kind of maybe numbers came out. A lot of times we'll have the data will be released on earnings reports or things like that. You'll see a big gap. Sometimes there's a buyout, sometimes there's a merger acquisition, sometimes there's an FDA approval. And it's always like, how in the world do you get into these trades like this before the market moves? And I want to share something with you guys. This particular trade, CVRS, which just gapped up today, back in March 14th, this was a trade alert that we issued. We had actually just closed out some profits from another insider buy that we did, 10.4%, and actually 81% on the options. And we rolled that into this stock, CRVS. This is the write up on the stock. And the reason we did it was because there was a ton of insider buying. Anytime we see a lot of insider buying, we know something big is on the horizon. We don't necessarily know what it is, but we know that there's something coming. Why else would these people put, literally hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars sometimes, into their own companies? There's always a reason. All right. In this particular situation, we issued a buy back at $1.56, and we've got a nice move to 429 today. Nice hundred and let me check the portfolio here and see what it is. It's 167% gain on this one stock, guys. That easy. No analysis. We didn't have to have a bunch of squiggly lines on our charts. We didn't have to have a bunch of indicators. We didn't have to listen to the talking heads. We just follow the people who know what they're doing, the insiders. This particular trade will probably close out the majority of it. We'll issue a close. We'll leave some in just to see what happens. But the company that bought them out has valued the stock at 428. Now it's possible it will rise as they take on and grow, and it just depends on what they do with the business. But in any case, we are going to leave some in. But for the most part, we're going to clear out our trade and take nearly a 200% profit on this trade. Now, guys, again, if you want to learn how to do these trades, there's going to be a link below. Click on that link and attend one of our on-demand webinars. You can see how we do this, how we analyze all the data, and then you can join our insider report where we do all the work for you and we send out these alerts and let you profit right alongside these insiders. All right, guys? So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. And guys, I hope to see you in one of our webinars.